How to fix lock cannot be edited error in Canva. First things first, open up Canva and load your design project where you're encountering the issue. Take a look at your design and find the element that's giving you trouble. It's the one showing the lock cannot be edited message. Now, up at the top of your Canva workspace, look for a little lock icon. It's usually near the title of your design. Give that lock icon a click just once. Take a quick look at the lock icon after you've clicked it. It should look different now, indicating it's unlocked. Go ahead and click on the specific element you want to edit. It could be a text box, an image, or any other object in your design. Now that you've got the element selected and the lock unlocked, you're free to make any changes you need. Add text, move things around, whatever you like. Try doing whatever you were trying to do before that gave you the error. You should find that you're not getting the cannot be edited message anymore. If you're happy with your edits, don't forget to save your work. You wouldn't want to lose those changes. You're all set. You can close Canva if you're done or keep working on your design. That pesky error should be a thing of the past now. And there you have it, a quick and easy fix for the lock cannot be edited error in Canva. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a great day.